Did you know that about 1/3 of your life is spent in the bedroom? Perhaps it's time to give that special room the attention it deserves, and that starts with the perfect flooring, with the help from the experts at Flooring Direct. Here are a few suggestions on how to pick the best bedroom flooring. Where you live can affect the kind of flooring you choose. For example, if where you live is uncomfortably hot, there's nothing better than walking on cool-to-touch porcelain tile flooring. But bare feet on the same tile floor in cold climate? Not so much. Now, let's say your bedmate wants quick and easy laminate flooring in your bedroom, but you want warm and lush wall-to-wall carpeting. What do? With area rugs, you can balance complete opposites on the floor and still enjoy a little feng shui. You don't really have to worry about foot traffic in your bedroom, so try something a little different. Discover super soft polyester and luxury nylon, or perhaps a carpet so tall your toes will get lost in it. But if you feel more comfortable staying in your lane, here are some guidelines to consider. Smooth flooring is much easier to clean than a long shag carpet. Not many surfaces can outlast porcelain tile when it comes to wear and tear. For resale value, popular shades are preferable to vivid tones. And finally, installing wall-to-wall carpeting and other types of flooring is much harder than it looks. So contact the experts at Flooring Direct. We'll help you pick the flooring for your bedroom that works best for you. Just visit flooringdirectdfw.com and schedule your free estimate today.